I've got a friend who is a pastor who's asked me to make a video on how he can stream a live sermon for his church to the internet using YouTube. So I've done a bit of YouTube live streaming in the past, but it's changed a little bit in the last few months. So I just wanted to show my friend how to do this. Okay, so first thing is to go to the internet, and whilst on the internet, to look for YouTube. So this is actually my personal website, directorfuma.com, and once I'm done with the video, it's going to appear here. Like this one's already appeared, but I think I need to take it down because it's not really done properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll leave that one there, open another page, and I will open Google, which is at the top here, and then I'll go to my YouTube account, and from there, and let me just check my videos because I think I need to remove that video. Is not properly done. It was a trial, so there it is. 2 people have viewed it, but it's probably not the best thing to view. Comments are disabled for this video. Let me see what it's got. So like here, my live broadcast was supposed to appear, but it didn't. So I'm still trying to work out why not. Anyway, and that video has to go. Maybe first of all, let me just put the video to private. Okay, so it's gone private. That's brilliant. Let me see the other videos now remaining. Okay, it's got 3 views already, but it's now private, so that's great. Okay, so the first thing you do is to go to live streaming. Okay, so it means that your live stream will come here. At the moment, the live stream is offline, which means I'm not streaming. Okay, so let's go through this. So if you want to live stream, you can do it in 2 ways. It's either you stream now and they are still running the beta version, or you go to events. So I'll look at events in once I'm done with stream now. So let's start with this. Okay, so with this one, here's what happens. Okay, you've got live streaming checklist on the right hand side. So first of all, you need to set up encoding software. Okay, so before you can start, let me just blow that up a little bit. Okay, I was going to blow this up a bit. Right, there we go. So before you can start streaming on YouTube, you need to download encoding software and then set it up. Learn about live verified encoders in our guide to encoding. You may need to use the server URL and stream name key below to configure the encoding software. Okay, so if you click on that, it takes you to a YouTube page, a help page, where they tell you about how to set up your live streaming encoder, and these are the YouTube live verified devices and software. Okay, so you've got mobile capture for Android 5.0 and 5.11 plus record and stream from YouTube gaming app. Okay, so that's on Android. Then you've got the Air server for Windows and Mac, Elgato game capture HD60 for Windows and Mac, Game Show for Windows and Mac, Wirecast Go for iOS, free with in-app purchases, produce live broadcast from an iPhone. Then you've got Wirecast Play, and this is the one that I use, Windows Spark free version available. Everything you need to stream live video from your desktop to the world. Then you've got XSplit Broadcaster for Windows only, and there's a free version available. Then you've got the XSplit Gamecaster, okay, if you play games and you want to broadcast them. And then you've got other encoders here. You've got the Open Broadcast software, if you're into open source, okay, so you'd go for this one. Right, so I'll show you the one that I use, which is the Wirecast Play, and this is the website where you can download it. Okay, so we've got here the Wirecast Play 6. It's either free or £9.99 for basic production, one live source, SD and HD video. Okay, free version is watermarked, so that's the downside. The free version is going to be watermarked, so you can download it here or just buy it. Okay, then you've got the popular one, which is the Wirecast Play Studio 6. It's $279. Advanced production, unlimited live sources, live preview players, titling, compositing, and more. Then you've got the Pro version, Pro 6, $549. Professional production, unlimited live sources, IP, advanced inputs, replays, scoreboards, and more. Okay, so you can read all about the features on this page. Okay, all the different features for the different packages. Okay, Wirecast Play Studio. I might actually have bought this one. I'll have to check. Right, so I've actually downloaded mine here. So if I open it, then this is what I get once it's ready for me. I think it's ready, so let's open new, and this is what you get. Okay, so this is the Wirecast software. Wirecast is currently running in demo mode. To remove the watermark, you need to purchase the license. Right, so you've got two screens here, this part and that part. That's because I've got this the display live and preview area. So this is the preview area and this is the live area. If I just click on that, I just get the preview area. If I click on the red, then I just get the live broadcast area. But I like to have both of them, so I click on that. Now we've got layers, okay, and this layer is clear, this one is clear, clear, clear. So what we want to do is click on that and then decide which devices we're going to include in this. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to use the inbuilt FaceTime HD camera of my Mac. So if I click on that, then there I am. Okay, so obviously I would need to look good and fix the background and all that. Okay, but that's not the purpose of this video. And if I click on this other one, then I can either choose a built-in input audio, which is the audio for the Mac, built-in microphone audio. I can choose the microphone for the Mac. I've chosen the FaceTime HD camera, built-in video, and now I'm going to choose the USB audio codec audio, okay, because I've got a Xenix Q102 USB by Behringer, okay. So I'm going to click on that, and that's now going to take, you can see my audio is now showing up here, okay. So how do I go live on this? So I go to the top here, click on output settings, and if I go to output settings, then it's going to ask me to choose the destination for the output that's coming from the recording, okay. So I can either do Facebook Live, Twitch, Ustream, YouTube. There was a host of others, but I've removed them for the purposes of this, and also because I'm not using them at the moment, but it's just they're just a click away. So I'm going to click on YouTube. If I click more, for example, okay, they come up here: Azio Medical Media Services, Akamai, Bambuser, Brightcarve, ChurchStreaming.tv. So my friend would be interested in this one. The car streaming services, Dailymotion, Facebook Live. So I'll click on Facebook Live, Twitch, Ustream, and YouTube just for now, okay. So that's what I'm using for now. So let's get rid of that. So I'm going on to YouTube, and I click on that, and I need to authenticate it. So to authenticate it, because it's not configured, I click on here, and then I choose my account, and then I manage your YouTube account by clicking allow this app and Google to use your information, blah blah blah, allow that. So now that has changed to Derek Tafuma live stream, destination YouTube, encoding is at 720p by 30 by 264, and that's the recommended one. Username Derek Tafuma, I can change that if I want to put another user, okay. It's saying not configured, but once I click OK, it's been configured, okay. So what's left to do now is just to go on the output and start my recording, okay. So if I start here, then my recording should have started, okay. Now let's go to YouTube and check. So if we go to YouTube, we should be able to check whether we are live or not, and that green line just tells me that I'm live. So I've been live for 16 seconds, 17, okay. So I am live, and also I can do my chat here, okay. I can say, what questions do you have? Look at that typo, okay. I'm going to stop it within a minute, so whoever is thinking we are live now might be a little bit disappointed, okay. So back to Wirecast, and I'm going to stop the recording now. So I go back to output and recording and stop Derek Tafuma, okay. So that stopped. Now back to YouTube, okay. So I've just shown you how to set up the encoding software. So the other thing is to add stream info, enter an interesting title and description. If you're live streaming a video game, include the game title to help new fans find you. So you can upload thumbnails, okay. So a thumbnail is, for example, this is a thumbnail, but you don't want this, so you want a thumbnail that's customized to what you want, okay. So you can do that. And then optional features, you can use different features to enhance your streaming experience. Select low latency in stream options to allow for faster chat interaction, blah blah blah. And then to go live, to start streaming, start your encoder. The status bar will indicate when you're live. To stop streaming, stop your encoder. So this is my encoder, which I have started and stopped. Okay, so that's what it's saying there. So the other thing you can do besides the streaming now is you can do events, and you can schedule an event, or you can go here or you can go there. Just in stream easier than ever now with scheduling, positive and improved battery. So you can go live there, or you can go here or you can go there. So let's go here. So you can put a title, upcoming stream. Okay, is it today, is it now? Okay, you can change the time to say 8 in the morning. Okay, you can put an end time if you want, so you can say from 8 to maybe 8:30. Okay, and that's today, and this will be a live stream on the new physics specification, I could say. Okay, so then I could create the event, I could put tags, I could say physics. Okay, new spec, new specification, or 2017 specification. That could help people to find it. Then I could create the event. I can have advanced settings in which I can choose the category: science and technology, education, how to and style, news and politics, blah blah blah. So I've chosen education. Video location if I want to, automatically block spam messages, blah blah blah. Okay, so these are all the options. And then monetization, I can monetize it with adverts, and create the event. Okay, if I click create the event, and then it's going to appear in my event. So if you're a church pastor and your church sermon is, let's say 8:30 tomorrow morning, you could start at 8, start streaming, or maybe 8:25, and then at 8:30 you can start your church service, and everyone will be notified. People will be emailed to say there is going to be a live stream by Pastor so and so at on such a date at such a time. Okay, so basically this is how you do live streaming. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please let me know and I will get back to you. Okay, so I think I need to put this, let me check, video manager. I've now got another one here which is live and should not be live actually, so I'm going to make it private for now, save it, okay, and leave it there. So hopefully it answers some of the questions, although this is still a little bit very complicated. You might want to maybe ask me specific questions to address a specific issue, and I'll be happy to do that. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.